Ethereum cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, in an unobtrusive way. We here will fundamentally give you the 10 years definite cost expectations for Ethereum. The Ethereum has in no time acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers truly are interested, and looking through the inquiries like especially is Ethereum a genuinely wise speculation, which basically is genuinely huge. Is ETH for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally large manner? What will truly be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How most certainly high might Ethereum at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Ethereum expected development and its cost expectation, all from kind of profound specialized examination to key fundamentally past cost outlines. Ethereum past value examination. As per irrefutably the most recent market information, today the cost of Ethereum is $1,470.60, and ETH in a real sense is at present in a real sense position number 2 in the sort of whole crypto market, which is very critical. The dissemination supply of ETH basically is 122,373,866 with a market cap of $179,963,397,798 in most recent 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Ethereum's cost truly has shown a decent increment of 2.23%. In the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, Ethereum is as yet confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in the market in a kind of significant way. The ETH is down to nearly 6.47% in every way that really matters. Most recent 7 days. The coin most certainly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for especially yet. We don't believe that it would have beneficial resource in large momentary in an unpretentious manner. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of ETH has been somewhere around CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible extremely normal cost of $72.33 from its ongoing cost. Or so they really thought. This unexpected descending development especially implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time. And it very well may be a for the most part great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for kind of fast speculation. The 90 days cost change really is around 13.28%, and the cost commonly circled from a base in every practical sense, normal worth of $1,256.36 to most extreme exceptionally normal worth of $1,346.51 in the beyond 90 days, which is genuinely huge. In most certainly most recent 4 months Ethereum has shown a developing pattern, which fundamentally is very critical. Subsequently, we feel that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which is very critical. As per indisputably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum by and large is expanded from 4 months. Or so they basically thought. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin is up by 14.66%, with the greatest really normal cost of the coin basically was around $1,272.09, and the base pretty typical cost of basically was around $1,200.31 in extremely beyond 4 months. Ethereum value gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We especially anticipate future ETH cost expectations Ethereum estimates by applying profound for the most part counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Ethereum. We give our all to basically gather most extreme verifiable information for the ETH coin, which certainly incorporates sort of numerous variables, like in every practical sense, past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into cryptographic money market, make a point to peruse our forecasts for the most part. Ethereum value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of Ethereum is supposed to for the most part reach at a genuinely least value level of $1,397.07. The ETH cost can basically arrive at a greatest worth of $1,588.25. With the typical exchanging cost of $1,544.13. Ethereum value expectation for 2024, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, The cost of Ethereum is certainly anticipated to basically reach at a by and large least worth of $2,138.77 in an especially significant manner. The ETH cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $2,624.56, with the typical exchanging cost of $2,200.53. Ethereum Value Gauge 2025-2026. The cost of Ethereum for the most part is especially anticipated to reach at an especially least degree of $3,118.47 in 2025. The Ethereum cost can essentially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $3,713.65, with the genuinely normal cost of $3,228.49 all through 2025 in a genuinely large manner. The cost of Ethereum generally is basically anticipated to reach at least degree of $4,439.47 in 2026, or so they thought. The Ethereum cost can really arrive at an in every practical sense, greatest degree of $5,476.52, with the kind of typical cost of $4,600.90 all through 2026. ETH value expectation for 2027. Ethereum cost in every way that really matters is gauged to sort of arrive at a sort of the least degree of $6,373.28 in 2027 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the ETH cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $7,695.23, with the exceptionally normal figure cost of $6,557.32, or so they thought. ETH value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of ETH, in 2028, the cost of Ethereum is estimated to be at around a base worth of $9,172.32, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Ethereum value worth can essentially arrive at a limit of $10,953.38, with the typical exchanging worth of $9,434.61 in United States dollars. Ethereum value expectation for 2029. The cost of 1 Ethereum ETH truly is supposed to reach at a really least degree of $13,872.96 in 2029, or so they thought. The ETH cost can arrive at an especially greatest degree of $15,903.03, with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $14,250.35 all through 2029. Ethereum value expectation gauge for 2030. According to the figure and truly profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Ethereum essentially is supposed to reach at least value worth of $20,192.79 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value worth of $23,880.